Hello everyone. Putting things in order in my workshop, I found several such scraps from the lead strip, and I wondered where I could apply these scraps. I thought it would be very cool to make small luminous keychains or miniature lamps out of these scraps of lead strip. Or rather from leads. Now I will take up the implementation of this wonderful, as it seems to me, idea. I will begin, perhaps, with the easiest thing in all this occupation. This is the soldering of leads. To make figures of future keychains, I first drew them on a piece of paper. It turned out 4 pieces. I couldn't think of anything more elaborate. Here is such a stormy fantasy. Well, I think that this will be quite enough to start with. Now I will bend the wire according to these layouts and also solder the leads approximately according to this arrangement. So now the fun begins. In the center of the keychain will be a small ring, which in addition to the decorative function, you need to attach the battery. Soldering the leads to this ring turned out to be much easier than I thought. But then soldering the wire to these leads was much more problematic. The last thing I need to do is solder the ring with the leads into the frame, and also solder the battery mounts. In the end, everything turned out almost perfectly. The next keychain was supposed to resemble a tree in shape, but it turned out what it turned out. Either the tree is defective, or I don't know how to make trees. And then the jewelry work began. It was the second hour of work, and the keychain stubbornly did not want to be soldered. Another keychain in the shape of a drop. After making these trinkets, I think I can go to work in a jewelry workshop. The last keychain will be leaf-shaped. This concludes this video. If you liked it, if you liked this idea of using LEDs, then put a like and write your comments. Also subscribe to the Invex Lab channel so that you don't miss a new video. Don't forget to click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button to receive notifications from my channel. I thank you for watching and bye. While cleaning up my workshop, I found that it was a mess. Put like and. What else do you need? While cleaning up my workshop, I found some scraps of lead tape and I thought, who cut this tape?